Hi, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this car, which is a Jaguar XK8 4.0 V8 2002 02. It's in ice blue metallic with oatmeal leather interior. As you can see, it comes complete with the wind deflector, with the oatmeal leather edging. Comes complete with the tonneau cover, a proper genuine Jaguar tonneau cover there to match the interior. It's got chrome door handles, chrome mirrors. It's also got in there, which is quite unusual, the Jaguar satellite navigation system, and obviously all your usual refinements, air conditioning, which is ice cold. It's just been recharged and serviced. The car itself has just been serviced as well. It's got the optional chrome gear selector surround, cruise control, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric hood. If you look at our photographs we've taken of the car, you'll see the hood condition is fantastic as well. It's a blue mohair hood. As you can see, this car is absolutely fantastic condition throughout. No rust, no corrosion, been fully wax oiled and cavity wax treated. It's also had a ceramic coating on after it had been machine polished by us. I'm not sure if you can see on the video very clearly, but all the tyres are matching Pirelli tyres all round, which are just, basically as new. The Apollo alloy wheels are absolutely unmarked all round. The front, no stone chips to write home about on the bonnet or the front bumper, just immaculate. No off-colour panels, just a really nice genuine car, which are getting increasingly hard to find now without corrosion. But yeah, we've had this car on the ramp, we've inspected it ourselves as Jaguar specialists, and it's faultless. Went through the last MOT without any advisories. As you can see from the back there, rear parking sensors. It's the facelifted car, so it's got the later boot plinth and rear lights. And there's in the boot, it's got a bag there which you can put your tonneau cover in to keep it clean. It's got the navigation system there and the 6-stack CD. It's also got the C-Tech trickle charger system installed, so that goes with the car, which is excellent. Again, about £150 I think. Drives perfect, doesn't require anything. No jobs outstanding. All the interior as well in oatmeal is fantastic condition. Carpets are lovely. Got new style wipers on it. As you can see from the car on the video, it's perfect. All the gaps on the car are perfect on the panels. No corrosion. This car's done about 64,000 miles from new with full documented comprehensive service history. And like I say, it's just been serviced. You've got the valet key, 2 black keys and 2 remotes all working. Let me just flip the bonnet. There you go, 4.0 V8. Running perfectly. Gearbox really smooth. Changes gear absolutely perfectly. It's never really wanted for anything, this car, with the look of the appearance and after looking through the service history file. Yeah, really good fun, ready for the summer. Got some nice weather on the way again. take advantage of it. This car is now priced at $14,995, and we think that's brilliant value, as these cars now are on the increase in terms of value, especially cars like this in this condition. So not only are they good fun, they look fantastic, nothing else like them on the road, they are sort of a good investment now as well. They are, the prices are on the increase in a serious way. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Any comments or any sort of questions at all, give us a shout. You can go through our website and email us, or you can just give us a call on 077 59 938 395. Please like, share and subscribe the video. We'd really appreciate that, and we look forward to hearing from you really soon. Thanks.